What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This is your boy Heavy Life. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. In today's video, we got the Mustang with me today. We got a package, and as you guys can see by the title, we are installing a catch can. So I got this from Co Performance Instagram right here. Make sure you guys check him out. Any car, he will get you whatever you need if he could. So make sure you guys check him out. Catch cans, air intake systems, exhaust, wheels. Just hit him up on Instagram, tell him Heavy Life sent you guys, and he will hook you up. So without talking too much, let's just get right into the unboxing. I got my blade. Let's go. So this is a Jlt Catch Can. That's about it. Bye bye. Yeah, already comes hooked up and everything. So this is how it is. You got this that goes into over here, and that goes into over there. All right, cool. And you got your little filtering system over here, and then the can for the oil. So basically what this does, guys, is instead of having the oil go through the motor and out through the exhaust, it puts it in here so that it's basically a cleaner way of getting rid of oil. You got your instructions. Like I told you guys in a couple of videos, make sure you guys read the instructions. You never know when you're going to need them. And yeah, so we're going to go ahead, put the GoPro on my forehead, and let's switch that real quick. Alright guys, we're on the GoPro now, so this is the view that we have. Let's get rid of this box. Already read the instructions, and I've installed one of these before on my charger. So first thing you want to do is get this cover off, and this strut thing is in my way. Help me out, dog. Alright, yeah, we might have to move this. Give me 1 second. Alright guys, it's a number 12, so god damn it, bro, I went back to the garage like 3 times. This shit is not long enough. 1 second, guys. Alright guys, so I couldn't find my number 12, so we're just gonna use this and get them out of here. So yeah, wait, which way is it? Left? Wait, no, I'm tripping.
I gotta restart it.
What are we doing? It's this way, right? Yeah, it's this way. What do you mean restart it? You gotta show your failures. You can't just... You don't get everything from the get-go. You feel me, big dog? This is gonna take forever. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do this and I'll catch you when I'm done. So, yeah. Just... Alright, can you check if it's recording this time?
Yeah, you're good.
Alright. Sorry about that, guys. I was kind of working and I could have swore I hit that record button, but it wasn't recording. So what I was saying is, for the strut brace, only these 2 bolts you're supposed to take off. I don't know why I was trying to take these ones off and he didn't stop me. So it's just these 2, and they were a size 13, not a 12. So yeah, it's a 13. Take those off, take the brace off, take the cover off. And then over here for the stock one, I'm gonna just put it on just to show you guys. Alright, so what you do, there's this little clip right here. You just pull it out and down, and there you go. Same over here, pull it out, and it's just off. And then for this one, it's literally very simple. Just push this in, you're gonna hear it clip. Push this in, you're gonna hear it clip. And then basically it just sits the way it does right here, and that's about it. They already connected it for you. On my charger I had to connect them myself, but for the Mustangs I guess they come like this. And then grab your cover again, and it's just gonna go right back into place. So you're gonna clip it in. You're gonna grab the strut brace. You're gonna line it up, and then grab the bolts. And it was a 13, so I did have a 13, and then that's how I ended up doing that. Oh my god.
No.
Oh yes, there's no cover under it. Where is it? There it is. I'm gonna have to roll the car down to get it. So tighten this down. Okay, okay. Is the bolt there?
Huh?
Is the bolt? You see the bolt on the ground? Alright, he got the bolt. Now, don't drop it again. Alright, good. Put it on. And that is it, everybody. Now you have your beautiful JLT 3.0 oil catch can. And excuse me for the dirty engine. We will be getting that cleaned very soon here. The weather's starting to get better. So with that being said, that is going to be a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy this very simple install. And alright guys, I don't know what the hell's going on with my GoPro. It keeps cutting on and off and on and off. So it cut off on me on the last clip like you guys just seen. And I was trying to say, with that being said, that is going to be a wrap for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy this very simple install. And make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Slap the like button if you did enjoy today's video. Comment something down in the comment section below. Come on guys, it's quarantine. Make me laugh. Do something. Just comment anything, please. Make sure you are subscribed, please. Help me grow the channel out. And I hope you guys did enjoy. Until next time, peace.